Hello, lovely friends. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm so thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something truly special, an early spring farmhouse reset that will breathe fresh life into every corner of your home. As winter fades away, there's nothing quite like welcoming the gentle warmth of spring with light, airy decor that makes your space feel renewed and refreshed. If you're ready to transform your farmhouse into a serene sanctuary filled with natural textures, soft neutrals, and those charming rustic touches we all adore, you're in exactly the right place. Before we begin this beautiful journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design inspiration. And if you love what you see today, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your favorite spring decorating tip. I absolutely love hearing from you. Let's start where every guest's journey begins, your farmhouse exterior. Early spring is the perfect time to refresh your facade with elements that whisper rather than shout. Consider updating your front door with a soft sage green or creamy white paint, colors that embody that coveted, light and airy aesthetic. Add a simple eucalyptus wreath with dried lavender sprigs for understated elegance. Flank your entrance with galvanized metal planters filled with white pansies or soft yellow primroses. These gentle pops of color create visual interest without overwhelming the senses. Don't forget to power wash your siding and porch. Sometimes the simplest refresh makes the biggest impact, revealing the natural beauty of weathered wood or clean white boards beneath winter's grime. Your entryway sets the entire mood for your home, so let's make it count. Start with a reclaimed wood bench featuring a linen cushion in soft oatmeal or pale blue, perfect for removing shoes while adding warmth. Above it, install a row of vintage-inspired hooks in matte black or brushed brass for coats and hats. A large leaning mirror with a distressed white frame creates the illusion of more space while reflecting natural light beautifully. Add a jute rug layered over a striped cotton runner for textural dimension. For organization, place a shallow wooden tray on the bench for keys and sunglasses, and tuck a woven basket underneath for scarves. A small vase with fresh tulips or pussy willows brings that essential spring freshness indoors. Transform your living room into a light-filled retreat by focusing on breathable fabrics and natural materials. Slipcover your sofa in washable linen or cotton in ivory, cream, or soft gray. These textiles epitomize farmhouse elegance while remaining practical. Layer with linen throw pillows in mixed neutrals, perhaps adding one with delicate blue ticking stripes for subtle interest. Replace heavy wool throws with lightweight cotton knit blankets draped casually over the arm. Your coffee table should feel uncluttered. A weathered wood tray holding a small potted succulent, a vintage book, and a simple white candle creates a vignette that's collected, not cluttered. Open your curtains wide to maximize natural light, or replace dark window treatments with sheer white panels that billow gently. Mastering coffee table decor is about restraint and intention. Start with your foundation, a large wooden dough bowl or a rectangular tray that anchors your arrangement. Inside, place 3 elements: something natural like a potted fern or bundle of dried wheat, something with height like a cream-colored taper candle in a brass holder, and something meaningful like a leather-bound journal or small ceramic dish. This rule of 3 creates balance without busyness. Keep the color palette strictly neutral with perhaps one soft accent, maybe pale green or dusty blue. Remember, negative space is your friend here. Your coffee table shouldn't be a display shelf. It should invite conversation and function, allowing room for someone to set down their coffee mug without playing Tetris with your decor. Your dining room deserves a spring refresh that celebrates gathering and connection. Start with your table. If it's dark wood, consider liming or whitewashing for a lighter appearance, or simply use a Belgian linen table runner in natural flax. For everyday styling, keep the table mostly bare to appreciate the wood's beauty, adding only a simple centerpiece. Perhaps a long wooden trough filled with white hydrangeas and eucalyptus, or 3 varying height pillar candles on wooden pedestals. Replace heavy drapes with café curtains in white cotton, allowing light to flood the space. Mix and match your dining chairs. Pair upholstered linen seats with painted ladderbacks for that authentic farmhouse eclecticism. A vintage chandelier painted matte white creates a stunning focal point overhead. When setting your dining table for spring, think layers and texture rather than matching sets. Start with natural linen placemats in undyed beige or soft white. Layer with white stoneware plates. Farmhouse style embraces simple, durable dishware rather than formal china. Add vintage silverware with weathered patina for character. Your glassware should be clear and simple, perhaps mason jars for casual meals or simple stemless wine glasses for dinner parties. 4 napkins. Choose lightweight linen in pale colors, tied with twine and tucked with a sprig of lavender or rosemary. The centerpiece should be low enough for conversation. A wooden box with potted herbs like basil and thyme serves both decorative and functional purposes, embodying farmhouse practicality beautifully. Let's breathe new life into your kitchen, the true heart of farmhouse living. If cabinet painting is possible, consider soft white or pale sage for an instant transformation. Otherwise, focus on what you can control. Remove half your items from open shelving, leaving only your prettiest white dishes, wooden cutting boards standing vertically, and a few glass canisters with staples. Style your countertops minimally. A large cutting board leaning against the backsplash, a stoneware crock holding wooden spoons, and a single potted herb near the window. Replace dark dish towels with crisp white linen or ticking stripe versions. Add a vintage bread box and a white ceramic pitcher filled with fresh greenery near the sink for softness. Your appliances don't have to be hidden to maintain farmhouse aesthetics. For your refrigerator, consider adding a magnetic spice rack or a small chalkboard for grocery lists, functional and charming. Keep the exterior clear of clutter, allowing its clean lines to shine. Style your stove area with a vintage-inspired tea kettle in enamel white or soft mint. Your coffee station deserves special attention. Place your small machine on a wooden tray with a ceramic canister for coffee beans, a small cream pitcher, and a tiny vase with one bloom. Under cabinet lighting can make everything feel airier, so if you can add battery-operated LED strips, they're game changers for illuminating work surfaces while creating ambience. The family room should feel like a warm hug, inviting, lived in, and effortlessly stylish. Arrange your seating to encourage conversation. Perhaps an L-shaped sectional in soft gray or beige linen facing your flat-screen TV. Rather than mounting the TV over the fireplace, consider placing it on a low-weathered wood console that provides storage for baskets holding remotes and entertainment essentials. Layer the floor with a large natural fiber rug in jute or sisal, adding softness with a sheepskin throw draped over the sofa. Paint walls in warm white with shiplap on one accent wall for texture. Add open shelving flanking the TV for styled moments. Books, woven baskets, white ceramic vases, and family photos in simple wooden frames. Styling around your television requires finesse. You want to soften the technology with organic elements. Start by ensuring your TV is proportional to the console. It shouldn't overwhelm the piece. On either side, create asymmetrical balance. Perhaps a tall white ceramic vase with branches on one side and a stack of coffee table books with a small potted plant on the other. Keep the space directly below the TV clear for functionality. This is where remotes live in a woven basket or wooden tray. If your console has shelves below, style them with a mix of closed storage, woven baskets for hiding clutter, and open display, a few beautiful objects. The goal is making the TV feel like part of the room's design rather than its focal point. Creating a multifunctional workspace in your farmhouse doesn't mean sacrificing style. Choose a small, unique desk, perhaps a vintage writing table in distressed white or a floating wall-mounted desk in reclaimed wood to save floor space. Position it near a window for natural light and inspiration. Add a comfortable linen upholstered chair or a simple wooden chair with a cushion. On your desk, limit items to essentials. A small unique desk clock in brass or wood, a ceramic pencil holder, and a task lamp with an Edison bulb for warmth. A small vintage radio adds character while providing background music. Above the desk, install a simple shelf or two for reference books and a few decorative objects, keeping everything edited and intentional for mental clarity. Every farmhouse needs a quiet corner for reflection and reading. Claim a window alcove, an used corner, or even a wide hallway for this purpose. Start with a comfortable armchair in natural linen or soft cotton, or create a built-in window seat with a cushion covered in ticking striped fabric. Layer with pillows in various neutrals and a lightweight throw. Position a small side table, perhaps a vintage stool or wooden plant stand, to hold your current read and a steaming mug of tea. Add a simple swing arm wall lamp or a slender floor lamp for reading light. Include a small basket at the chair's base for magazines and books. A potted fern or trailing pothose on a nearby shelf brings life to your sanctuary without demanding much care. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of softness and serenity. Start with your bed. Invest in all-white bedding in natural materials, cotton, linen, or a blend. Layer with a white matelass coverlet or lightweight quilt, topped with linen Euroshams and standard pillows in varying shades of cream and ivory. The varying textures create visual interest while maintaining the light, airy feeling. Choose a simple iron or wooden bed frame, or if you have an upholstered headboard, opt for linen in a soft neutral. Flank the bed with mismatched nightstands, perhaps one vintage wood piece and one painted white, for authentic farmhouse character. Keep surfaces minimal. A small lamp, a carafe of water, and a single bud vase with greenery. The difference between a nice bedroom and a beautiful one lies in thoughtful details. Hang simple white or natural linen curtains that puddle slightly on the floor. This adds romance and softness. Place a vintage wooden ladder against the wall to display quilts or throws. At the foot of your bed, add a linen storage bench or a simple wooden trunk for extra blankets. On your dresser, create a small vignette, a wooden tray holding your jewelry and small dishes, a vintage mirror leaning against the wall, and a small potted lavender. Replace harsh overhead lighting with soft sources, bedside lamps with linen shades, and perhaps a string of warm Edison bulbs. Add a jute rug for warmth underfoot, and consider painting walls in the softest whisper of blue-gray or remaining with warm white. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with minimal effort. Start with the shower area. Replace dark curtains with a simple white waffle weave or linen shower curtain. Inside, use matching white towels exclusively. The uniformity creates a hotel-like luxury. Install a simple shelf or use a shower caddy in matte black or brushed brass to hold essentials in matching containers. For your vanity area, declutter completely, keeping only daily essentials visible. Store everything else in woven baskets under the sink or in a simple wooden ladder shelf for rolled towels. Place a wooden tray on the counter holding hand soap and a glass dispenser, a small plant like a snake plant that thrives in humidity, and a white ceramic tray for everyday jewelry. Bringing natural elements into your bathroom softens the typically clinical feeling of tile and fixtures. Replace plastic accessories with organic alternatives. Wooden soap dishes, a bamboo bath mat instead of fabric, and glass apothecary jars for cotton swabs and bath salts. Add a floating shelf above the toilet styled with a simple white ceramic vase holding eucalyptus branches. The steam from showers releases their aromatherapeutic oils. Choose fluffy white towels and display them rolled in a wire basket or neatly stacked on open shelving. Install simple hooks in matte black or brass for hanging towels and robes. If you have a window, add a small potted fern or pothose. Paint walls in soft white or very pale gray, and if possible, replace hardware with cohesive finishes for a polished look. Your garage might seem like an unlikely place for farmhouse charm, but organized spaces reflect intentional living. Start by painting walls in white or light gray to brighten the typically dark space. Install simple wooden shelving or pegboards painted white for tool storage. This keeps items accessible while looking intentional. Use galvanized metal bins and wooden crates for organizing smaller items rather than mismatched plastic containers. Create a potting station if you're a gardener. A simple wooden workbench, hooks for tools, and terracotta pots lined up neatly on a shelf above. Add vintage-style metal signs or a simple chalkboard for labeling zones. Even just painting the garage door interior white and keeping the floor swept makes this utilitarian space feel more connected to your home's aesthetic. As temperatures warm, your patio becomes an extension of your living space. Start by giving everything a good cleaning, power wash surfaces, wipe down furniture, and shake out cushions. Arrange seating to encourage conversation, perhaps around a simple wooden coffee table or a vintage trunk repurposed as a table. Choose cushions in weather-resistant fabrics in neutral tones, white, cream, or soft gray with perhaps one subtle stripe pattern. Add outdoor curtains in white canvas or drop cloth material to create intimate spaces and provide shade. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Style a console table or potting bench with galvanized metal planters filled with white petunias, soft pink geraniums, and trailing ivy for that cottage garden feel that complements farmhouse style perfectly. The key to beautiful outdoor spaces is treating them like interior rooms. Define your patio area with an outdoor rug in natural fiber or a neutral pattern. This grounds the seating arrangement and adds comfort. Add a vintage-inspired outdoor lantern or two with pillar candles for ambient lighting. Create a drink station on a small rolling cart painted white. Stock it with glasses, a pitcher for water infused with lemon and herbs, and a small potted rosemary plant. Hang a simple wooden sign with a welcoming message or your family name. Include throws in lightweight cotton for cool evenings. Add a container garden with herbs in matching terracotta or white ceramic pots. They're decorative, fragrant, and functional. The goal is making your patio so inviting you'll find yourself spending mornings with coffee and evenings with friends out here all spring long. There you have it, friends. A complete early spring farmhouse reset that touches every corner of your beautiful home. Remember, creating a light and airy farmhouse aesthetic isn't about perfection. It's about embracing natural materials, soft neutral palettes, and the beautiful imperfections that make a house feel like home. The key principles we've explored today: maximizing natural light, editing your decor, incorporating organic textures, and choosing furniture with character, can be applied at any budget and in any space. Start with one room that speaks to you most. Implement these ideas gradually, and watch as your home transforms into the serene sanctuary you deserve. I hope you found inspiration and practical tips you're excited to try. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people discover these ideas. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration that makes beautiful living accessible to everyone. And don't forget to comment below telling me which room you're tackling first. Until next time, happy decorating, and remember, your home should be your favorite place to be.